To add a follow button in Card, use a simple button element that links directly to your social media profile. This is an easy and effective way to grow your audience by directing visitors from your website to your social platforms. Start by opening your Card dashboard and selecting the site where you want to add the follow button. Click Edit Site to enter the builder where all elements and layout changes are made. Once inside the editor, click the Add Element button, usually shown as a plus icon. From the list of available elements, select Button. This will create a clickable button on your page. After adding the button, open its Settings panel. The first thing you should do is set the label. This is the text that appears on the button. You can use simple and clear text such as Follow me, Follow on Instagram, or Connect with me depending on your platform and purpose. Next, add the link to your social media profile. This could be your Instagram page, X profile, TikTok account, YouTube channel, or any other platform where you want to gain followers. Make sure the URL is correct so users are directed to the right page. It is recommended to set the link to open in a new tab. This ensures that visitors stay on your Card site while still being able to view your social media profile without losing their place. After that, you can customize the appearance of the button. Card allows you to adjust color, size, spacing, and alignment so the button fits naturally into your design. You can make it stand out or match your overall site theme. Place the button in a visible section of your page, such as the header, hero section, or contact area, so visitors can easily find it. Before publishing, preview your site to make sure the button works correctly and leads to the correct social media profile. Once everything looks good, click Publish to make the changes live. And that's how you add a follow button in Card. Add a button element, link it to your social media profile, style it, and publish your site to start gaining followers easily.